Okay, so I'm recording this in 720p because nobody needs to see tractor cold starts in 4K. Also, my home internet connection is really slow, so uploading a 4K video would take forever. I'm going to try something a little different today. We're going to try a double start. I need to move some snow, which means we need the little Ford started. And I also need to feed the sheep, which means we need the big Zetor started. It's warmed up a bit since this morning. The low overnight was about negative 14 Fahrenheit. When I plugged the Zetor in about an hour and a half ago, it was negative 4 Fahrenheit, which is about negative 20 Celsius. It's now warmed up to a whopping 4 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about negative 15.5 Celsius. The Ford has not been plugged in. I'm going to try and get it started and warming up, and then I'm going to go over and try and start the Zetor, and I'll let it warm up while I move some snow with the Ford. So let's have a go. You can see it's been cold. That plastic is shattered. Okay, give it a little throttle. And glow plug.
In the slave trade or something like that, that would generate that money they could give back.
Turn down the radio.
In other cases, European powers would just reset.
And let's see. Oh, that's not good. There we go. Oh, that is an unhappy hydraulic system, but she is started. We'll let that sit and warm up. And I've got full synthetic hydraulic fluid in that too. It's that shit is supposed to have a pour point down to negative 40, but the pump sure doesn't like it when it's that cold. Alright, so the Zetor, it's been plugged in for about an hour and a half. It has a 1200 watt block heater, but it is a 4.2 liter diesel. I think it's got like, geez, I don't remember, it's like 4 gallons of coolant, so, and also 2.5 gallons of oil. So this one doesn't have the high-speed, high-temp glow plugs that the little Ford does. So I'm going to give it the full glow plug timer, and then we'll give it a little throttle. Oh, you can hear the hydraulic pump still whining on the little Ford. Alright, and come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. Come on. You want to do it. You want to do it. You want to do it. Ah, yeah. Oh, it did not want to do it. That was pretty painful. Oh yeah. This one does not have full synthetic hydraulic fluid, and I think you can tell the difference. So, this coming summer I'm going to be due for new hydraulic fluid, so it's getting full synthetic too, see if we can reduce that cold weather pump whine. But in the meantime, I'm going to move some snow.